Hey guys, Greg with Planet Green Zen, and thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Now, for the people who've never been here before, what I'd like to do is inspire the world in 5 main areas of life, and that's mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially. And I truly believe that if we all had a holistic balance of these main areas in life as a human race, a human unit, we would have world peace. We'd be able to abolish hunger, slavery, nuclear war period, poverty, disease, and we'll all live wealthy and healthy and abundant together as one human unit and not discriminate because of color and culture and all that stuff and beliefs. So if you guys do like my messages, please subscribe to the channel, please like the videos, please share them out, and please comment below and let me know your thoughts on these different topics. So today's topic is actually going to focus on dealing with failure, how to deal with failure. Because, again, there's a saying that goes, failing is not, failing is not, I'll come back to it because I totally just lost my thought. And I'm not editing these videos because it's just raw, me, pure. So let's get back to it. Failing is quitting. I can't remember right now, but you guys may know what I'm talking about. Anyway, we'll come back to that. But again, the topic of failure. So this is where a lot of people actually, their paradigm stops them in their subconscious mind, because when you think of failure, you think of it being bad. Because again, when you think about it, guys, we have been taught in school that failure is wrong. We get a bad grade on a test. There's typically not a chance to redo it. I mean, yeah, you may get a makeup test, right? You get a chance to redo it, but we're typically taught that failing is bad, or you make a mistake at work, it's considered bad for the most part. Again, some people have great jobs or careers where, it's okay to fail, and then you learn and get coached and mentored from that. But generally speaking, failure is looked at as being bad. So when people fail in life, when they try to do a new business venture, try a new skill or whatever they're trying to learn, and they fail at it, they typically give up right away immediately. Because they think that, they're just not good at it, doesn't work, it's not meant for them, and then they go on to something else, and they do that again for 5 minutes and fail at it, and they give up, and they do something else and give up, do something else, and you spend, look at it, 5-10 years went by, or they keep trying all these different things, or they just gave up period and just went back to their mundane life without accomplishing anything. Versus if you looked at that one failure, the person would have stuck with that one failure and kept failing, and then success. 5-10 years later, they would have been an expert at that, and then they could have added on maybe the second skill and fail. So within that, 5-10 year period, they could have gained like 5 to 10 different success stories and success traits or add-ons, I should say, like, adding on to their hardware, software skills. And then they could have been teaching other people, maybe making a lot more money, being more successful, and doing something that they truly love versus something that they hate. So that's why I wanted to actually talk about failure, because is that still going? Yeah, sorry guys, I'm gonna have to try to edit this video, I guess. I don't know, we will see if it edits or not. But anyway, so yeah, I wanted to talk about that because I want you guys to not give up and keep going and keep pushing forward and just keep failing until you succeed. Because when you first learn to ride a bike, you don't get it right the first time. It takes a few dozen tries before you get the hang of it. Again, walking as a kid, when you're a baby, you don't have preset paradigms and programs that actually limit you to make you want to give up or worry about other people's opinions and feelings when you're doing something. So then you don't stop it. You're happy about it. You're positive. When you fall as a baby, you typically laugh it off and you try it again, and then you start walking again. Again, anything worth doing takes time, hard work, and dedication, guys. So when you fail, it's actually good to fail, because actually you gain more skills, you gain more confidence, you learn more about yourself, you're more wise, and you can actually pass that knowledge on to other people so they necessarily don't make the same mistakes you made in that area. Maybe in another area they have to fail themselves, but at least you can guide them to make better choices, and you actually become a stronger person by failing to succeed. So that's what it is. Again, is it okay to fail? Yes, it is, because we want you to be a success story. And think about a lot of people who are successful. They failed for months to years before they found their fame. There's a saying that says typically takes 5 to 10 years to become an overnight success. Again, we never see the people are down or when they're failing. They just see when they're successful. So it discourages a lot of the average people from trying, because they think these people are born with these natural God-given gifts and talents, and they're perfect, but no one's perfect. So I want you guys to understand that no one is perfect. We all make mistakes. We all fail. So again, just fail to be successful. Fail forward is another saying. So you fail, but you succeed. So failure is not failing, it's quitting. That's what I was trying to say earlier, and I totally just don't know what was going on with me. But again, I'm going to leave this as it is because it's fine. You guys see that I'm a human and I make mistakes as well. See, I'm failing right now to be successful. So yeah, I'm not going to edit this video. I'm going to just keep it so you guys see I'm real. I'm not a robot. And again, I'm a human. I made a human mistake and kind of messed up. Some people may edit this information out, but I'm not. So I want you guys to see that I'm genuine. So again, failing is not failing, it's quitting. That's what I was trying to say because it's very powerful, guys. Again, if a lot of you just start to look at quotes from people in the past, that have lived before us, maybe decades or hundreds of years ago, and they left us these quotes behind, that we actually can live by. And if we really listen to what they were saying, because they went through their whole lives, obviously they have wisdom in areas that we don't, and we may think they're weird or crazy, but again, we truly listen to what they're saying, it really speaks power. Again, when you look at that quote and you really break it down and live by it, it helps you become a better person. So that's my challenge to you, is go ahead and find some quotes from successful people from the past, see what they said, and break it down, the meaning, and then actually try to live by that. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'll go ahead and quit now so I don't make any more mistakes. But again, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to the channel. Please share these videos. Please like them, and please comment below. What are you doing to actually fail forward? Or what are some failures that you have done that led to success? I would love to hear that feedback. So again, Greg with Planet Green Zen. Also, if you guys need additional resources and support and maybe a boost to get you to the next level, I do have some resources for you. Go ahead and click on the links in the description below. One's for manifesting what you want, and one's for having the right mindset, so you can actually start to manifest what you want. Click on those links. It will ask you for your email address, and once you enter your email, and then you will be taken to a video. Watch those videos and let me know what you think. Alrighty, so Greg with Planet Green Zen. I hope you guys do have a great day.